Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this first one looks like they are making something to do with a cloud. I'm seeing a lot of cotton here, so it definitely has something to do with cloud. Whoa, that thing is huge. Oh, it's for like a kid's room. That's actually pretty cute. Oh, very cool design and concept. Wow. Alright, so the next DIY involves a vase. So they're adding the rubber bands around the perimeter, spray painting it. Using that granite spray paint. Oh, they made a candle holder. Okay. Very nice. And then we have another action inspired DIY. But I was saying this in another video. I think that action is like the equivalent of IKEA in the United States. Like they have some of the same items. Oh, another candle holder. This is really pretty. And obviously very simple and easy to make. Oh, we got a table design here. Okay. So they have a cutting board and then that little wooden tray or placemat. Oh, that is so cute. Very cute and stylish design there. You could spray paint it if you wanted to do a different color. And then we have that bread box hack. Oh, it gets me every time. Oh, I love this one with the black and the gold. Oh, that is so pretty. The handles are really nice too. I like how they're like big and thick. And then we have another action DIY. So they are using these little wooden pieces here to make like a bowl shape. I like this project because it has like an outdoors feel to it, like an outdoorsy feel. Very cool. What I bought versus how I styled it. Oh, they're doing side tables. Okay, they gave it a nice modern look here. Very nice. Those are like such small tables too. Alright, so we got someone back at action with this bamboo rack. And they're just simply spray painting this black. And then they decorated it. Very nice. Put like a nice little candle on there and some mugs. I love the fact that now we are taking home decor and making it our own by just spray painting it and painting it and adding things to it. I just love that. It's like personalization at, you know, a higher level. Oh, we got the foam spray here. What is she gonna do? Looks like she's making a cake. Or maybe I'm just hungry. Oh, is she making a table? Yes! Oh my goodness! No. Wow, that came out amazing. Okay, and it looks like somebody's making a side table here. So cool. I love these little like cheeky DIY tables. They're so cute and creative. Wow. So pretty. I just love the whole vibe of this whole little area she has set up. Very cool. That is one thing I will say about TikTok. We have learned to make some very creative and useful DIYs. Now this is obviously a table. We already saw the end result. I actually kind of like the wood color. Like, you could spray paint this if you wanted to, but I like the natural wood. IKEA vase hack. Okay, so that is a lantern. And then they spray painted a vase black in the middle. And eucalyptus leaves. Oh, that's pretty. I bet you that smells amazing. Such a simple design, but I love it. Oh. Okay, is she making a decorative bowl or vase? Wow, look at those nails. Yeah, those nails, man. Can't get over them. Oh, she made a candle holder. Okay. Silver and gold. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, and I will see you in the next one.